again they are exposed today. That is what we are saying again and again, that this is a cheat all game plan of betrayal Janata Party. They want to cheat Lingayats, they want to cheat with Vokalingas, they want to cheat with SC STs, they want to cheat with backward communities, they want to cheat with minorities. That is exposed once again today in the Supreme Court of India. Not only this, the Bomai government also gave an undertaking to the Supreme Court that they are not going to do any appointment or admission on the basis of impugned government order. In other words, they themselves are saying that right now this order on reservation, which they had issued without any plan, without any preparation, the ultimate purpose of that order was just to cheat with 6.5 crore Kannadigas, again got exposed in Supreme Court of India. It is not only over here. What we were saying from the beginning, that the reservation policy is of Bomai government is the sinister conspiracy to defraud all communities of Karnataka. A government which can't file an affidavit, a government whose order on reservation is right now not effective, they are giving in writing, a government which is doing a all cheat program with all communities of Karnataka. That government's game plan got exposed today in Supreme Court once again. Time and again we had highlighted that how in the last 90 days of Model Code of Conduct, the reservation categories got changed 3 times. That itself shows the dishonesty being played on with the different communities in view of the assembly polls. The idea of the Bomai government again got exposed, and that idea is just to divide the societies, just to increase the enmity amongst the communities. That idea got exposed today once again. Right now, the Bomai government is saying that no government order on reservation is effective. Right now, Bomai government is saying that whatever issues on reservations which they had passed, they are not prepared to file affidavit. And Supreme Court asked them to file the affidavit in the next hearing. So that itself shows the preparedness of the Bomai government in executing the reservation policy. You are aware, time and again from this particular podium, we had raised all the issues, whether the issue is to increase the SC community reservation from 15 to 17% and STs from 3 to 7%. We had raised that by this the total reservation is more than 50%. During the Kolar rally, Rahul Gandhi had raised a very important point, that जिसकी जितनी आबादी उसकी उतनी भागीदारी. What he said, that why the census is not done in last 10 years. Why Modi government and Bomai government is holding the census? They are talking about double engine. They are the trouble engine. That both the engines are cheating with the people of Karnataka. A government which can't file an affidavit talks about giving reservation. Shame on Bomai government. You can only do, Bomai government, you can do only one thing, that is 40% commission you can charge. You are master in that. I admit, if there is a degree on master on entire commission khori, Bomai government will pass that particular exam with the distinction marks. We had time and again raised the decisions of 26 December 2022, 29 December 2022, whether changing the reservation category and recategorization of Okalingas and Lingayats. Again, that issue is also sub judice. When we talk about the brazen dishonesty of Bomai government, the Bomai government changed the reservation category and structure for the third time. And the Lingayats, particularly the Panchmashali Lingayats, have been demanding increase in reservation to 15%. The Bomai government has increased it by 2%. All Lingayat leaders and Swamijis have expressed complete dissatisfaction. And now today, I ask the 40% Commission Chor Sarkar that if you can't file an affidavit on time, when Supreme Court is saying you are not able to come with an affidavit, we are taking the case to the next date. What is your preparedness? And that is what we are asking from day one, that this is cheat all plan. You cheat all communities. You increase the enmities between the communities. You damage and destroy the social fabric of Karnataka. But mind it, as we had time and again told, that whenever it comes to reservation, whenever it comes to the upliftment of any particular community, Congress party from 13th of May will not leave any stone unturned. But whatever we will do with full preparedness, not to deceive the people of Karnataka, not to cheat with the people of Karnataka, not to commit fraud with the people of Karnataka. Whenever we will come out with the reservation policy, and we will come out, but that is after preparing everything. It's not a half-hearted approach. The approach is not just only to affect the election. The approach is just to empower the communities. So friends, I will not take much of your time, because all the other issues which are there in my press release, time and again we had highlighted those issues. But important issue was today's Supreme Court hearing. In the Supreme Court hearing, 40% Commission Court, Sarkara fails to reply affidavits in Supreme Court and asked for a time to file affidavits. So that is their preparedness. And they also gave an undertaking that till the time we are not filing an affidavit, this government order is not going to be effective. So when Bomai government itself is telling in front of the Supreme Court that our GO on reservation is not going to be effective, that itself shows that this is a sinister conspiracy to defraud all communities on the reservation, to commit a fraud, cheat. I will tell Bomaiji that if you have little bit of shame left with you, you should take a drop of water and think 100 times. The entire Karnataka is seeing your conspiracy, sinister conspiracy. The entire Kannadigas are seeing your defraud. The government which can't file affidavit in Supreme Court, we can't expect anything from that particular government. A government which is not prepared at all on their GOs. The government which is saying in front of the apex court of the country that till the time we are not filing, please make this order GO ineffective. Can you expect anything? Bomaiji, 40% commission ke alawa you can't do anything. Except 40% commission, you can't do anything. You can only commit frauds with the people of Karnataka. You can commit frauds with the different communities. You can commit frauds with the environment and atmosphere of the Karnataka. I will conclude my press conference here itself. If you have any question on this issue, I will be happy to answer. Because the sole purpose of this betrayal Janata Party is to give lollipops only. And unfortunately, those lollipops are not having candies in front of them. That lollipops are having only sticks. That is once again proved in the Supreme Court with their half-hearted approach for the reservation. If you have any question, I would be happy to answer. Okay, thank you.
ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ,
You want 8 minutes? Let me answer. This is the second time. Yes.
ये बहुत लीगल, बहुत संदिग्ध स्थिति में गवर्नमेंट है. ये छोटी बात है. This is not the smallest thing.
Correct.
And government made it in a huge manner.
Correct.
That we are announcing these. They said that it's a kind of a scheme that they are announcing.
Correct.
The reservation.
Correct.
It's not at all a scheme.
Correct.
The biggest blunder which was created by the government. How will you fight it legally as a party?
See, it is not fighting legally. The question is there. The people of Karnataka are seeing that how 40% commission government is approaching on this their own government orders. They are saying that we are not ready with affidavits. Can you imagine any government who issued a GO and saying that I can't give affidavit on my own GO? It means they don't want to give reservations. It means they what we are saying from the beginning, that this is the sinister conspiracy to defraud with all communities of Karnataka. It means that Bombay government is proving that their reservation policy which they had issued with the help of a government order is cheat all communities plan. You can't file affidavit when Supreme Court is asking. Supreme Court said that till the next hearing I am giving time to file an affidavit. That is the preparedness of their own government order. They are saying that till I don't file affidavit, this government order will be ineffective. This is not what I am saying. The 40% commission core is saying in front of Supreme Court. Their advocates are saying. So that itself shows that what is the preparation. There is no preparation just to have a fraud with the people of Karnataka, and I can tell you, one can forgive anyone, but nobody will forgive the government which had played with the emotions of Kannadigas. Nobody will forgive the government who took the money which belongs to the welfare and development of Kannadigas for their own personal gains. And there is a rate card in Karnataka. There is a rate card that if you want this tender 40%, if you want this tender 50%. I am surprised to know in some tenders the rate card is 70%. Pomai sahab, kuch to chodo, please leave something. 70% commissions, 40% commissions. So if there is a 3 lakh crore rupees of annual budget of the state of Karnataka, 1.2 lakh crore is gone in the form of 40% commission. And then just before 90 days of election, 40% commission core government had decided to commit a fraud with the people, and now that fraud results are coming out in the front of the Supreme Court of our country. In the front of Supreme Court, if a government can't file affidavit on their own government order, shame on such 40% commission government. If you can't file the affidavit on time, shame on you. If you are saying that till the time I am not going to file affidavit, this government order on reservation is going to be ineffective, shame on you. What is your preparedness on this? That is what we are asking. And again, on 13th of April, just before the Jayanti of Baba Sahib, they had committed fraud. Today again they had committed fraud. They are again and again proving what we were saying from the beginning, that this is a cheat all game plan with Lingayats, cheat all game plan of 40% commission government with Vokalingas, cheat all game plan of 40% commission government with backward communities, cheat all game plan of 40% commission government with minorities, cheat all game plan of 40% commission government with the SC/ST communities. You can't defend your own orders. You can't file affidavits on your own orders. You are asking time to file affidavit and saying that till the time I am not filing, my own government order is not effective. What a dilemma this is. You will be surprised to know right now in Karnataka there is no reservation. Can you imagine? There is no reservation right now in Karnataka. Can you imagine? Talking about giving this to that community, giving this to that community. You had abolished the reservation from the state. Because you are telling that our GO will not be effective till the time we are not filing affidavit. And you know why they are not filing affidavit. I can give you the reason. Because as soon as they will file the affidavit, Supreme Court will show them their true face. That how can you file this affidavit which is in violation of 9th schedule of the Constitution. So they are just passing the time till the polling. But before polling, every Karnataka will ask that why 40% commission government is not able to file affidavit on their own GO. Why 40% commission government said that their own GO will not be effective till the time they are not going to file affidavit. Every 6.5 crore Karnatakas will ask that forget about increasing the reservation, you had abolished the reservation from the state of Karnataka. Bomai Sahib, you have to give answers to this. Why this half-hearted approach? Why this a defrauding approach? Why this cheat all communities approach with the people of Karnataka? You have to answer. You are corrupt, you are a cheater, you do sinister conspiracy with the people of Karnataka. People of Karnataka are not going to forget this. They will give their response on 10th of May and the results will be out on 13th of May.
Welcome to K-Mall, a premium project by Kaleen Group. K-Mall is in the heart of Kolkata's electronic, garment and lifestyle hub, Khidirpur. K-Mall, which is designed as a world-class mall, is the outcome of endless effort of our experts, combined with modern superb techniques and new-age design. Book now